Hey guys, it's actually Sunday and I'm right here at one of my favorite stores because I am working on my new project, which is the bench for my plants. And here I am, the Home Depot. So we're gonna go in and find some supplies and I'm super excited. I was very surprised to see that Home Depot had a cleaning station before you went inside, so I really commend them for that. But once I went in, I just went into the lumber department. I was looking for a pine board or a common board, and I ended up selecting just a pine board. And the board that I chose was a 2x12x10 pine board. I just had to pull this thing out by myself, and it's so heavy. I asked the guy at Home Depot to please cut 3 1-foot sections so I could have the legs made with the same board. Lastly, I picked up 2 packs of these 3-inch corner braces so I could attach the legs to the board. I knew that my legs were not even because they don't use a precision saw at Home Depot, so when I got home, all I did was grab some 80 grit sandpaper and using my orbital sander that literally got dust all over my kitchen and all over my apartment. I learned the hard way that you should do this in an open space, not indoors. But once I got them done and even, I went ahead and sanded all the sides and I got them all sanded down and smoothed out. Before priming my boards, I made sure they were clean and free of debris, and using a roller and Kilz all-purpose interior-exterior primer, I gave it 2 coats and I waited about 2 hours in between coats. The legs I chose to keep in a wood tone and just gave them a coat of the Verathane's Early American stain. I wanted an eclectic piece, which is why I chose to hand paint this whole bench, and I love the play of colors and shapes. It's so whimsical and so fun, and I just love this print. I've used it in other projects before, but this is so far one of my favorites. I attached the legs using some wood glue that I let dry overnight, and then using 1.5-inch wood screws and the corner braces I got from Home Depot, I just reinforced them. Lastly, I gave the bench a coat of Verathane's Polyurathane just to protect the paint and the wood since it's going to be in contact with sunlight and water. And here's our window bench. Okay, my friends, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this DIY. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like this idea. Let me know in the comments what you think about it. And lastly, like I always tell you, please take care of yourself, take care of those around you, and don't forget the journey is what brings us happiness, not the destination. Love you all. See you on the next one. Bye.